The new Audi A5 is here, and it's redefining what a luxury coupe should be. With a bold, aerodynamic design, cutting-edge technology, and a performance that will leave you breathless, this car is built for those who crave sophistication without compromising power. Under the hood, the A5 offers a turbocharged engine that delivers an exhilarating balance of speed and efficiency. Whether you choose the mild hybrid system or the high-performance S5 variant, every drive feels like an experience crafted for thrill seekers. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip on any surface, turning every corner into an opportunity to push limits. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin designed for pure luxury. The driver-focused cockpit is loaded with Audi's latest Virtual Cockpit Plus, giving you a fully digital, high-resolution display that keeps you in control. The ambient lighting system, customizable to your mood, turns the cabin into a personal sanctuary, while the premium leather seats wrap you in comfort on every journey. Technology in the new Audi A5 is nothing short of revolutionary. The MMI infotainment system with a high-resolution touchscreen ensures seamless connectivity, whether you're navigating the city or enjoying your favorite playlist. Voice control, smartphone integration, and wireless charging make every drive effortless, while the Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system immerses you in studio-quality audio. But luxury and technology aren't the only things that make the A5 stand out. Safety is a top priority, with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and 360-degree cameras keeping you confident on the road. The Predictive Efficiency Assist helps optimize fuel consumption, making every drive not just thrilling, but also smart and efficient. And let's talk about the design. The signature Audi single-frame grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted body lines create a presence that's impossible to ignore. Every detail, from the bold 19-inch alloy wheels to the aggressive rear diffuser, is designed to turn heads wherever you go. This is more than just a car, it's a statement of style and performance. The new Audi A5 isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every moment on the road. It's about power, elegance, and cutting-edge innovation coming together in one perfect package. So, if you're looking for a car that combines luxury, technology, and performance in one stunning machine, the new Audi A5 is waiting for you. Are you ready to experience it?